In today's video, we are going to go into the Odomoke market. We are going to know exactly what 3,000 naira can buy for us. 3,000 naira right now is equivalent to $4. Okay, what $4 can get for us at Odomoke market. Okay, let's get into the market. I really hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you do, click the like button and share. Okay, so this is a old Enugu road. This is my 50. The next place we are going to get to, you drive straight, then you get to Isheke Junction. Remember, old Enugu road. Okay, from my 50 you drive to Isheke Junction. But when you're coming from Enugu Abakaliki Expressway, you're going to stop at Old Enugu Road Junction. That's on the Enugu Abakaliki Expressway, which is the Isheke Junction. Then you enter the Old Enugu Road and ask them where is Isheke Market. It is the Isheke Market Junction that we came from, and then we drive straight to Odomoke. Okay, you're going to be watchful when you start seeing the structures that we are going to see ahead. Then you will know you've gotten to the market. These are the structures. Okay, when you start seeing something similar like this, you will know that you've gotten to the market. Okay, there is a health center there, or you can ask around, is this Odomoke market? So you will know exactly when you've gotten there. So let's get into the market. That's their health center over there. So we went into the market, that is in Odomoke market. The first place you're going to meet is where they sell yam, is at the open field as you're just entering the market. Okay, so we priced this yam. This particular yam, we were told that is 2,500. So we did not buy it, because if we buy it that would be, it's only yam and one thing of 500 that we are going to buy. We went for water yam. This is water yam, guys. If you've not tasted Ebonyi State water yam, God, I don't eat water yam before, but when I came to Ebonyi State, a yam farmer told me to test it, and he was like forcing me, taste it. And when I ate it, I was finding it difficult to differentiate it with yam self. It is very, very delicious. So we got this yam at that's the water yam at 1,200. If you've tasted water yam, please drop it in the comment section. And we saw this thing. This is seafood, guys. We just saw it and I just checked it out. I saw it looks like clam. I don't know what it is. So she said they are calling it akriko. If you've heard the name before, please drop it in the comment section. This is water yam akara. In Ebonyi State here, this is another delicacy I'm going to show you guys one day. It's one of the meals that I met here when I came to Ebonyi State that I've never eaten before. It's my first time tasting it. So we moved to oil.
600. No, 400. 500.
So the last price for this oil was 600. That's Enugu. Okay, this vlog was last month, that's in March. That was when I made this vlog. Okay, then because right now I think the oil have reached either 700 or 650. Okay, then this pepper, we bought it for 150. As I was vlogging, some women were looking at me wondering what I was doing, so I decided to show them. Just laugh with us.
This one is in
So we didn't buy the Inca, but we got garden egg leaf. This one is the garden egg leaf, also known as Aukwangara in Igbo. That's what we later bought. Okay, she bought this one for 100 naira. Okay, then we left and we now saw this is where they sell leaf generally. We saw cashew, that is fresh one, so we had to go back again to go and buy it. It's looking very, very fine. Look at it. So you can see now that I can hear Ebonyi State too. I can speak a lot. So this is the clam. Okay, we saw it again. Look at it here. So it's everywhere in this Ebonyi State local market. They love it so much. People keep buying it, and I wonder where the water is around here that they are getting this thing from. Okay, so if you know about it, drop it in the comment section. Let's hear more about it. I don't know the name, but they call it akreko. Okay, in Ebonyi State language. If there is you know it in your own local language, also drop it in the comment section. Meanwhile, let me remind you guys to subscribe if you're new, turn the notification bell, drop the type of videos you want to see in this channel, and certainly we are going to try to do that for you. Okay, so we've come to pack our bags. Then off we go. Bye bye, Mango gone. 100, 200.
Mango don't tap on the name. What's up? 100. Look on down 50. That one was 50.
150. What are they? That no the only. Guy now what? So we bought this one for 1,000 naira. So this one is still with its core. This is the one you peel out. You move it one after the other. We are back from this market. Finally, what we got for $4. We got this. Just imagine this thing, and this one we got it for. This one is 1,000 naira because they've already cleaned it. Then this one that they've not cleaned, we bought it for 500. But we paid tax 100 naira there. So let's say this two is 1,600. Why this one now is 1,200, making 2,800. Then we got this apple for 200 naira, making
1,000, 2,000.
No, making the plus C. This one now plus this one is 2,800. If I add this 200 naira apple, making it 3,000 naira. That is $4. So excluding this one we bought it one cup for 150. 150. Things are very cheap in that market too. Guys, there is vegetable, gari, a lot of things, but I couldn't capture all of them. So if you really want to buy things cheap in Abakaliki Ebonyi State, oh my God, just be coming. Come and buy it in bulk.
The name of the
market. And process it. I've already said it at the beginning of the video. ODOM okay. So see you guys in our next video. Bye bye. Love you. Thank you for watching Helene's Corner.